Let's talk about green tea. Green tea is a powerhouse for so many things, but especially cancer. Now, there's a lot of phytonutrients in green tea that give you all sorts of benefits, but the one that I want to focus on in this video is cancer. There's a very specific phytonutrient. It's called a catechin, and there's, out of all six, the EGCG is the most potent and most abundant. And when I say most potent, I'm talking about directed towards cancer. But this phytonutrient has a lot of benefits. It's anti-obesity, anti-lipid, chemoprotective. So let's say you were on chemotherapy because you had cancer. You'd want to be drinking green tea because it's going to lower the toxicity. It also has anti-proliferative properties, which means it has a potential to decrease the spread of cancer. It also helps you increase your own antioxidants like SOD and glutathione and catalase. It's anti-cavity. It supports your blood sugars. It's antimicrobial. And the list goes on and on and on. But as far as cancer goes, there's two different mechanisms that green tea can help you. One, which I just did a video on, which I'll put a link down below. FAS stands for fatty acid synthase. Now, anytime something has an ACE, that means it's an enzyme. So it helps make fatty acids. So it just so happens that this enzyme is overexpressed in certain types of cancer, which means that your cancer needs this enzyme and requires this enzyme for making part of its structure. So the phytonutrient in green tea can help inhibit the cancer from getting this enzyme. And EGCG is cytotoxic to cancer cells. So that's one mechanism, but there's another mechanism. A type of fuel that cancer can live on is glutamine. Now, glutamine is in pretty much every food that you eat. And it's not that I'm telling you to avoid glutamine if you're healthy, but if you have cancer, cancer cells can potentially live on glutamine. And it just so happens that the phytonutrient in green tea can inhibit glutamine as a potential fuel source for cancer. And the very cool thing about green tea is it's non-toxic. So green tea is a really good thing to add to your current plan. Now, I know this is going to come up as a question, so I'm going to bring it up right now. Since green tea can inhibit glutamine and we need glutamine, is that going to create a problem? And the answer is no, because glutamine as an amino acid is non-essential. And so if there's some type of biochemical reaction that your body needs to make glutamine, it can make it from other amino acids. If you have cancer and you're trying to block glutamine as a potential source of fuel, this compound might be a very good non-toxic alternative to certain drugs that might block glutamine. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.